And now we shall continue with the properties of determinants. Remember, in the last lecture I have given the second property and had told you to solve the second case for order 3. Now we shall solve this for your reference. Those who have done it, they can verify it, right? So let me consider delta to be a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33. Now when you expand it, what is the determinant that you are going to get it? So delta will be equal to a11 into a22, a23 minus a23, a23 into a32, right? Then minus a12 into a21 into a33 minus a23 into a31 plus a13 into a21 a32 minus a22 into a22 into a31. So this, when you expand it, it will be a11, a22, a22, a33. This is a33 minus a11, a23, a32 minus a12, a21, a33 plus a12, a23, a31 plus a13 into a21, a32 minus a13 into a22 into a31. Call it as result number 1. Now interchange R2 with R3. So R1 will be remaining as it is because you are interchanging any two rows. So A31, A32, A33, A21, A22, A23. Now expand this. So it is A11 into A32 into A23 minus A33 into A22 minus A12 into A31, A23 minus A33 into A21 plus A13 into A31, A22 minus A21, A32. Now when you expand this, this will be equal to A11 into A32, A23 minus A11, A33, A22 minus A12 into A31, A23 minus will be plus A12 into A33 into A21 plus A13 into A31 into A22 minus A13, A21, A32. This will be equal to minus delta. Take out minus sign common and you can just check it. You will be getting it as delta. So delta 1 is equals to what? Minus delta. Delta 1 is equals to minus delta. This is how you verify the result. Similarly, you can try it for columns. Now as the next one, the next property that we are going to see is property number 3. Property number 3 is that if any two rows or any two columns of an determinant are identical, then the value of the determinant is 0. So that is the next property. Property if any two rows, or it can be columns also, of a determinant are identical then the value of the determinant is 0. Then the value of the determinant is 0. Now we shall see for order 2, that I will take A11, A12, A11, A12. So row R1 and R2 are identical. Rows to be identical means the corresponding elements should be the same, right? So expand this. So when I expand it, I will be getting A11, A12 minus A11, A12. So that is 0. If it is for order 2, so for column wise, if I take A11, A11, A12, right? So column C1 and C2 to be the same, A11, or column wise I will consider this to be A11, A12, A11, A12. So here what happens is column C1 and column C2 are identical. Expand it, A11, A12 minus A11, A12. So this is 0. Now similarly what I will do is I will go for third order determinant. There I will be making A11, A12, A13, A11, A12, A13, A31, A32, A33. So here rows R1 and R2 are identical. Remember, R1 and R2 are identical. Now expand this. This is A11 into A12, A33 minus A13 into A32 minus A12 into A11, A11, A33 minus A13 into A31 plus A13 into A11, A32 minus A12 into A31. Expand it now. This will be equal to A11, A12, A33 minus A11, A13, A32 minus A12 into A11 into A33 minus A12, A13, A31. 1 minute. Just wait for 1 minute.